Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss that how you can change the language of your smart TV. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So this is the TV that I have. This is Hisense smart TV. So all you need to do is to go to the settings on your smart TV. Go to the settings and just scroll down and you will find system. So you need to click on the system and just scroll down and you will find the option language. So all you need to do is to tap on the language option, and here are all the languages available that you need to choose depending on your preference. So this is the list of the languages available. You need to just click on anyone that you want to change. From here I just selected English United States, and there are many options are available: Indonesia, Italian, Portuguese, and so many languages. So it depends on your preference. You just select that one and that language will be selected is the language of your smart TV. So guys, this is how you can do it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We need your support to grow. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.